In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a profile photo in Slack. Adding or updating your profile photo in Slack is a simple way to make yourself easier to recognize across channels, direct messages, and thread conversations. It helps create a clear, consistent presence in your workspace, which is especially useful if you work with a large, remote, or hybrid team. Before you begin, make sure your image meets Slack's basic guidelines. A square image works best, ideally around 512 by 512 pixels, although larger sizes can also work. Keep the file under 10 megabytes and use a supported format such as PNG, JPG, JPEG, or GIF. Also, if any profile settings appear locked by your organization, those fields may only be editable by a workspace admin or owner. If you're using Slack on desktop, start by opening the Slack app on your computer or sign in through your web browser. Once you're in, click your current profile picture or the default avatar in the sidebar menu. From the drop-down that appears, choose Profile. This opens your profile panel on the right side of the screen. From there, click Edit. In the profile editor, look for the profile photo section and select Upload Photo. Now choose the image file you want to use from your computer and click Open. Slack will then show you a cropping window. Here, you can adjust the circular frame so your face or logo is centered properly. Take a moment to position it carefully, since this is how it will appear throughout the workspace. When you're happy with the framing, click Save. Then, at the bottom of the profile editor, click Save Changes to publish your new profile photo. If you're using Slack on a mobile device, the process is just as straightforward. Open the Slack app on your iPhone or Android device, then tap your profile picture, or go to the U tab in the navigation bar and tap View Profile. Next, tap Edit Profile, then tap Edit Photo. In some versions of the app, you may be able to tap directly on your current avatar. After that, select Upload Photo. You can either choose an existing image from your photo library or take a new photo with your device's camera. Once your image is selected, adjust the crop area so the important part of the photo is centered and clearly visible. Then tap Choose or Save depending on your device. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. And that's it. Your new Slack profile photo should now appear across your workspace. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.